Welcome to SIGNHOUSE. We all know that extreme weather conditions like sandstorms and high solar energy penetration are common in the Middle East region. Because of this, the lifespan of polycarbonate sheets for various applications like skylights, bus shelters, signage pillars, etc. are reduced drastically. We get queries from our customers on a daily basis from architects and design houses asking which product can manage all these extreme climatic conditions. In this episode, I would like to introduce to you an exceptional solution from SABIC LEXAN, a patented technology called Extrite. LEXAN, which is a synonym for polycarbonate sheets, have designed a product to manage these extreme climatic conditions. Now let's take a look at some of the key advantages of the product, the Extrite. The LEXAN Extrite is a transparent polycarbonate sheet with a proprietary UV resistance on two sides, providing resistance to extreme weather conditions. The major advantage and the key property of the LEXAN Extrite is the self-healing property, which gets activated in extreme heat. The coex layer on top of the Extrite sheet is a patented technology from SABIC LEXAN that provides high abrasion resistance for sandstorms and scratches that occur on the sheet. The Extrite sheet has also high resistance to chemicals and solvents that are commonly used. If the self-healing does not work with the extreme heat, another advantage is these can be manually done by a hot air gun. Another advantage of the LEXAN Extrite is that it's thermoformable. It can be both cold and hot formed without compromising the coex layer. So these sheets can be curved, bent without any issues using the conventional tools that you have available. As mentioned, the self-healing property of the Extrite is the key feature. I'm going to test it now. So first, I'll peel off the film. All right. There's the film. I've got in front of me a pair of scissors and a blade. So we'll make a scratch with a pair of scissors first. Next, I'll go over it with a blade. So now we've scratched the sheet. Now we'll see how it heals itself. Now you've seen the healing process take place over here when I've used the hot air gun. Now in an ideal situation, an application basis, when it has been installed for a facade, for a partition or outdoor signage applications, with the intensity of the sun increasing during the day through the afternoon, that's when you'll see the actual healing happen. Now for those stubborn scratches, you can always use a heat gun again and heal the sheet to make it look as new. The Extrite is available in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and also comes with a 15-year limited warranty for outdoor applications in the region. As far as fire ratings are concerned, these panels are fire retardant with a class B1 as per EN 13501/1, which comply with the local government requirements for building and construction. I can guarantee that with its superior impact resistance and scratch resistance and great repairability, it is the perfect candidate for a wide variety of building and construction applications. Any further queries you have about the product, please get in touch with myself or the team at Blue Rhine. Thank you.